Hi, my name is Justin Wolf, and today I'm going to be giving you an overview of Cumulus's Edit Connection Ticket feature. This is available inside of Control Center on the latest release. Using the Connection Edits feature in Cumulus allows you to quickly see what has changed in your system and what edits have been made. Connection edits are viewable in two areas. You can click on the button on the home page. Also, you can click on the exception tickets in the navigation bar and be brought to those connection edits. Let me show you how they work. We're going to make a data change to one of these connections, Fuel 26. We'll select Fuel 26, and we're going to edit some of the specifications about this joint. I'm going to edit the rating and change it to 300. And I'm going to change the required torque value from 59 to 70. I'll click Save. And you'll see back out on my dashboard that I have my Connection Edit button with 3 tickets inside of it. If I choose this, I can see that Fuel 26 has had multiple edits done by Justin and what date it was done on. If I open this ticket, it allows me to see what data has been changed, what the previous value was, who and when it was changed, and it allows me to either approve this or require rework for the connection. In this case, I'm going to say it requires rework because we've changed the torque value. And this flange will be moved into a failure status and be ready for rework now in the field. Once the change has been made, the ticket is closed, and the count on your dashboard should go down to 2.